How to order or buy from AliExpress. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Log and Delete, and without further ado, let's get started. Open up your AliExpress application and make sure that you are logged into your account. At the top page, search for the item that you would like to purchase. You will see a list of various other items as well. Now choose the item that you want to buy and go to Buy Now. Tap on Continue. At this page, enter your shipping address. Here select your country, your contact name, your phone number, and your street address and tap on Save. The next option is Payment Method. Tap on Select Payment Method and go to Add New Card. Now here add your card number, your card name, month, and your CVV and tap on Save and Confirm. Just like so, once you fill out all this information, you will see your total at this page. Now go ahead and tap on Place Order. And this is how you order items on AliExpress. So that will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss a video.